Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking the essentials. Open app or browser permissions and confirm the microphone is allowed. Once done, force close Google or Chrome and relaunch to clear temporary glitches. Make sure no other app is holding the mic, quit recording or calling apps. Also switch networks. Sometimes DNS or local ISP caches block voice endpoints, so try Wi-Fi versus mobile data. These steps tell you whether the problem is permissions, an app conflict, or the network before deeper fixes. Next, address the app and system layer. Clear the Google app or Chrome cache, and if needed, reset app data so corrupted temporary files aren't blocking voice. Update the app and the operating system. Outdated builds can break voice APIs. Inspect system microphone input levels and remove any case or mesh that muffles sound. Disable VPNs and proxies because they can block streaming recognition. If problems persist, test in an incognito window or a fresh browser profile. Finish by reinstalling the Google app or browser so voice features reinstall cleanly. This fixes deeper integration faults. Test voice search on another device or with another Google account to determine whether the issue is account-specific or device-specific. Finally, reconfigure Google Assistant voice match and reset voice recognition training to clear mislearned patterns. If everything still fails, one key troubleshooting tip: record a short voice memo and play it back to confirm the mic hardware works before pursuing service or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.